Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can start automating your Monday.com workflow. So as you can see, I am now in a Monday.com board. So as you see, next to integrate, you see an option automate right here. So you can tap on that, and yeah, a lot of information pops up. So please don't get overwhelmed. It's a lot of information, but as you see, you can just start with the basics. So for example, when an item is created, assign creator as a person. So you can just tap on use template. So when a new item is created in your board, then assign creator as a person. So the person is just, yeah, you can select the person in that specific board. I'm the only one in this board right now, so the person is only, yeah, I can only choose the owner as the person. So you can tap on create automation, and now when a new item is created, then I will be assigned to the item. So you have a lot of more, yeah, much more options. For example, when date arrives, archive item, tap on XC. As you see, when date arrives at 10 a.m. or let's say 11 p.m. Alright, then for example the due date. Then yeah, for example, so when the date arrives at 11 a.m. on the due date, then the item will be archived. Create automation. So you can play around with this. That does not make sense, of course. You can turn it easily off again, but yeah. So you can easily delete it. Delete permanently. Actually, so these automations do not make any sense, but you can play around with it. You can turn on notifications. You can easily archive, delete, notify, assign things, change the due date, change the status, create a new item, move the item. Yeah, you can play around with it. It's very, very useful. Very, yeah, it can boost your productivity and your workflow. Yeah, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.